Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Marvels of Science with Malaika Noor. Today we are going to talk about the interspecific and intraspecific relationship among the organisms and some symbiotic relationship. So let's get started. In natural world, no organism exists in absolute isolation, and thus every organism must interact with the other organisms and the environment. When population of different species interact, the effect on one on the other may be positive, negative and neutral. Three of these combination plus plus, plus minus and minus minus are subdivided, resulting in several types of important interactions and relationships. So let's discuss each relationship and interaction one by one. If both species gets benefit from each other, then it is called mutualism. For example, the crocodile and plover bird. Food gets stuck in the teeth of the crocodile. A crocodile sits with its mouth wide open. The plover bird will fly into the mouth and eat food stuck in its teeth. The plover bird gets the meal and the crocodile gets valuable tooth cleaning. And number 2, predation. In predation, one species feeds on the other species. It enhances the fitness of the predator but reduces the fitness of the prey. For example, bear and fish and lion and zebra, etc. And number 3, parasitism. In parasitism, one organism which is parasite gets benefit and the other organism which is host is harmed. Parasites live exclusively in or on their host organism. For example, fleas uses the blood of rabbit for nourishment. And number 4, commensalism. If one member of the relationship gets benefit and the second neither helped nor harmed, for example, remora fish and shark. Remora fish attaches itself to the underside of the shark without harming the shark. It eats leftover bits of food from the shark meals. It also gets protection from the predators. And number 5, commensalism. If one member of the relationship is harmed and second neither helped nor harmed, then it is commensalism. For example, elephant stepping on the ants does not benefit the elephant but harm the ants. And number 6, competition. It is a negative type of interaction among the individuals brought about the shared requirements for our resources and leading in a reduction in the survivorship, growth and reproduction of at least some of the competing individuals concerned. There are 2 types of competition on the basis of the taxonomic relationship: intraspecific competition and interspecific competition. Intraspecific competition, it is an interaction in population ecology whereby members of the same species compete for the same resources. For example, brachyinhibitor, minute wasp, internal parasitoid to larval stage of Indian meal moth. Individuals of the same species compete for the exact same thing in the environment. Therefore, this is the strongest type of the competition. The resources must be in limited supply. The ultimate effect decreases contribution of individuals to the next generation. Competing individuals are all essentially equivalent. Effect on any individual increases with the increase in the number of competitors. And number 2, interspecific competition. The competition between the different species for the same resources in an ecosystem. It can be violent, but it is never as strong as intraspecific competition. For example, between entomopathogenic nematode for Lepidopteran larva. So, in this video, you learned about the intraspecific competition, interspecific competition and some symbiotic relationships. So, stay tuned for more videos. Allah Hafiz.